When HOTO sent me this little capsule to check out, I wasn't entirely sure what it could do. Is it a vacuum or an air duster or an inflation or deflation device? The answer is it's everything. Here are 4 amazing things I can do with my HOTO capsule. 1. Clean my keyboards and other electronics. With the big family comes a lot of computers, printers, and other electronics, and they all get pretty messy. Crumbs, dust, and pet hair can get stuck between the keys and in the cracks. The HOTO's air duster function blasts away debris with powerful compressed air, while the impressive suction easily picks up the loose bits. It's been so much better than those disposable can dusters. 2. Freshen up my car interior. This vacuum has been perfect for quick car cleanups. Its cordless design means no hassle with tangled cords, and it's compact enough to reach between seats or into tight spaces. Whether it's dirt, dust, or snack crumbs, the HOTO's powerful suction makes quick work of any mess. Plus, with its air blower feature, you can easily blow out dust from hard-to-reach areas like vents. 3. Inflate or vacuum seal. The HOTO can inflate or vacuum seal just about anything. Whether you're inflating an air mattress or vacuum sealing storage bags to save space, this tool handles it all. It's super handy for travel and storage, and I love how versatile it is. Just be careful not to overinflate anything because it goes fast. 4. Tackle dusty shelves, corners, and baseboards. One of my favorite uses for this vacuum is dusting shelves, baseboards, and picture frames. The HOTO comes with a variety of attachments, so you can switch between vacuuming and blowing to get the dust out of those tricky spots like windowsills and high-up shelves. This is a cool little device with a lot of uses. I really like it, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love a like or follow. And if you're interested in any of the products featured, there's a link in the description below.